In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can automatically fit all of your text within your cells here in Google Sheets. So if you're trying to make sure that all of your text is seen within your cells, in this example, I have this product review table where on the last column, I have the actual reviews. Now, if I click on this cell right here, you'll see that there's more text within that cell that we cannot see. So if we go to the formula bar, here is more of it. And if I scroll down, there you have it. So if we want to make sure that we can see all of the text within that one cell, not extending it to the other cells or having it cut like this one, what we're going to do is to change the wrap or the text wrapping within that cell. So to do that, I'm going to select that cell, go to the toolbar right here and select text wrapping. So right now we're on the clip type of text wrapping. And if we want to make sure all of those texts are seen within that one cell, we're just going to switch to the wrap here in the middle. If you click on this one, there you have it. Now we can see the entire text within that cell. So we don't need to click on it just to be able to see what it contains. Double click. There you go. We can now see all of the text that is in that cell. And to switch up everything, what we're going to do is to select the entire column right here, then go back to your text wrapping and select wrap. Here we have it. Now we can clearly see all of the text within these cells. So no need to double click on it to just see the contents or the text within that cell. So one more time, if I undo all of those, we can simply select the entire column to make sure that even the future reviews will be placed in the same format. So select that column, go back to your text wrapping here in the toolbar and select wrap. And there you have it. That's how easy it is. You can make your text fit through your cells automatically here in Google Sheets. Now, if you still need extra help with Sheets, I do have a free guide linked in the description below that you should definitely check out. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.